Our blueberries have done really well this year. As a matter of fact, we've already begun harvesting them. The Bermuda grass around the blueberries have done well also, and that's not good. We don't like our blueberries to have to compete with Bermuda grass for water and nutrients. So I have in my spray mixture a product that will kill Bermuda grass. It may take more than one application, but I'm going to treat it now and maybe come back a little bit later if the Bermuda grass is not gone and take it out. As sethoxydim is the active ingredient. I've also included a crop oil concentrate, a methylated seed oil, as a surfactant, which is very important. If you don't include that, the herbicide won't work. So I'm just going to try to do as good a job as I can, and I'm going to kill a pretty wide swath here because I don't want this Bermuda grass to mess with my blueberries. That ought to do the trick.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.